Welcome to the Tonic demo. As you see here, the Tonic platform can be used for a wide range of applications like patient intake, patient screening, even patient satisfaction and patient-reported outcomes, and more. The demo we'll show you today is a standard patient intake form. This is the welcome screen, the first screen a patient sees as they're handed an iPad and sit down in the waiting room. The messaging here tells patients that this is immediately going to be a different type of experience. You can post a video to this screen in the upper right-hand corner, or just place your logo here if you don't have a video prepared. You can also easily toggle between languages, English, Spanish, Chinese, Russian, whatever your patient population demands. Tonic is all about patient engagement. As you see here, our core survey engine is designed to create exactly that. So how do we do it? It's by pairing contextually relevant graphics with text. The result is that patients really want to answer the next question because they can't wait to see what happens next. We like to think of each of our questions as a pleasant surprise. Tonic also works great for lower income, lower education patient population, as well as geriatrics and people who have never used an iPad, because it boosts contextual understanding of each of the questions. And when you create patient engagement, you get higher completion rates and more accurate data than ever before. And then you can do a host of beneficial things with the data, like segmenting patient population groups, patient screening, real-time population management, and more. Note that all the questions are fully customizable, of course. We're just showing you some example questions here, but you can ask any question you want. Tonic is there simply to bring these questions to life. Here's a question within a question, which is easy to build with any of our different design constructs. The Tonic platform can even conduct real-time risk assessments based on the answer a patient gives, meaning a patient can be screened for a variety of conditions before they even leave the waiting room. Our survey engine can run any algorithm or screening protocol for any condition. By the way, no data lives on the iPad, though it's a native iPad app. The data is wiped off the machine every time the patient hits submit. This data can then be sent to an existing EHR, a separate client database, or Tonic's proprietary cloud-based backend, all of which is HIPAA secure, of course. What else is cool is that because Tonic serves up the surveys or questionnaires from the cloud, one iPad can be used for an infinite amount of surveys, questionnaires, or forms, and you can create all your own surveys or tweak an existing template using our online survey builder. One click and you deploy to all your surveys in the field. You'll notice here as we've gone through this survey that you can also run sophisticated skip logic or branching lines of questions as well. Here's also the crowd favorite, how many alcoholic beverages do you drink? You can even customize the min or max as you go through this. Likert scales, also a popular design construct. We have a whole range of icons that you can put at the poles, and you can go from 0 to 5, 1 to 10, 10 to 1, 4 to 6. You can create any different scale that you'd like. Again, using our survey builder, all the different images you see here can also be chosen out of a library. You can easily do e-consent using Tonic as well. In fact, the patient can fill out any desired fields and just go ahead and sign using their finger. You can have as many consent forms as you want. Here's the final screen for the patient where he or she reviews their answers to make sure all is correct. They're able to edit answers from this screen as well. The user can then edit any questions and go ahead and hit submit. Lastly, what we call the Tonic game pops up that allows them to drag their iPad through the maze to return it to the nurse's desk. It's a more fun and engaging way of saying, please return your iPad to the receptionist desk, but again, does it in a much more engaging way. This is also customizable. You may choose to turn off the game or turn it on as you wish. Finally, you can end the survey experience if you'd like, taking a quick survey satisfaction page if you're doing a Tonic pilot or want to measure the satisfaction of the platform with your patient population. You can do this as well, all of which shows up in real time in your online account. If you want to see more and experience it for yourself, don't forget to download the free demo by clicking on the download button on our website or visiting the Tonic Health page through iTunes. Thanks so much.